My name is Sarah Osborne, and I'm the Marketing Coordinator for Senior Community Services. I'm proud of the work that our organization has done towards inclusivity, but it's personally important to me that we continue to make strides, including the LGBTQ community. On behalf of all of Senior Community Services, I want to thank you for your time.
Hi, thanks for joining us today. I'm going to start by taking off my mask here. My name is Jon Burkhow. I'm one of the program directors at Senior Community Services. I just want to acknowledge what a crazy and extraordinary year this has been. The COVID pandemic, the civil unrest, it's been a lot to deal with. I know also as we get older, there's additional challenges that we face in our lives, and sometimes we do need a little bit of help. Well, I want to tell you that Senior Community Services has been here for 70 years, and we're here to help. Not only do we help older adults stay in their homes, but we also work with caregivers. If you've ever been in a situation of caring for someone, you know that it can be very difficult. While we want to help take care of the loved ones, the neighbors, and the people that are important in our lives, you'll find sometimes when you get into that situation that it can become overwhelming. Well, I want to let you know that we're here to help. And we do that by connecting you to resources, and we have several programs that can help not only caregivers, but older adults. And it can help you stay in your home and in your community. I realize that sometimes, especially as Minnesotans and being independent and hardy, we don't always want to ask for help. And that can be a really difficult thing to do, actually. Maybe something you've been able to do for years and years you can no longer do. Well, I would like you to think a moment about that a little bit differently. Think of it as a moment of empowerment, that you're taking charge of your situation, taking charge of your life, and you're getting the help that you need so you can stay in your home and in your community where you want to be. So I would encourage you to watch our whole video. We have it broken into some different segments about some different programs. And if you stick through to the end, you'll find out about a couple of our free resources. Free is always good. And you'll get to meet our robotic mascots, Taffy and Tucker. So again, thanks for joining us, and I'll be coming back to join you a little bit later on in the video. Hi, Roberta. Thanks for joining us today. I'm wondering if you could tell us a little bit about this awesome program that we have here at Senior Community Services called Medicare Partners.
Well, Medicare Partners is a program that helps people who are on Medicare pay their co-pays and deductibles. If you are a person on Medicare, you don't need to be a senior, it can be any age as long as you're on Medicare, and you're putting off visits to the doctor because you're afraid of co-pays and the 20% that Part B does not pay, we might be able to help you. In order to be on Medicare Partners, you have to meet income and asset criteria, but once you're on the program, we have partnered with medical providers, hospitals, and clinics throughout the state who have agreed to accept Medicare as full pay. They will write off the co-pays and deductibles, that 20% that Medicare does not pay.
Wow, that sounds like a great program. I think I might have some questions. Is it all right if I give you a call?
Anytime you can call me. I'm happy to discuss all the details. I know it gets confusing and people kind of tear their hair out when they start thinking about medical bills and insurance. But I'm able to explain it pretty carefully when I talk one-on-one to people.
Well, great. Well, thanks so much for the information, and it sounds like an awesome program. And I really appreciate you joining us today and explaining a little bit about it.
It is one of the best kept secrets in the medical field. Hope to hear from you.
Oh, hello there. You caught me in the middle of a project. I told you I'd be back. I want to talk a little bit about the home program right now, and it's basically what it sounds like is that we help people take care of their home. We have a lot of handy people that will come out and help with minor carpentry, plumbing, electrical, that sort of thing. Anything that you wouldn't need a permit or a contractor for. So that can be a great cost savings and help you take care of your house. We also do fall raking, which we're in the midst of right now. We do snow removal in the winter. We do lawn mowing in the summer. And we also have a cleaning service that can help with those tasks that maybe have become a little bit more difficult as you might experiencing a slowing down or some health conditions that affect your mobility. We can come in a couple times a month, help with laundry, bedding, cleaning bathrooms and kitchens, that sort of thing. So we're really all about giving you the help that you need so that you can stay in your home, and more importantly, making it affordable through the use of volunteers and our paid staff. We can offer discounts based on your income. So our goal is really to serve everybody, no matter what your income level is, and just make sure that you can stay in your home for as long as you want to be there. So thanks again so much for joining us, and give us a call if you need some help around the house. All right, I got to get back to my project.
Hi, my name's Adele Mehta, and I'm the Director of Senior Outreach and Caregiver Services. Our team of licensed social workers help older adults remain independent, assuring them that they don't have to go it alone. And they help their caregivers in maintaining balance in their lives, reminding them that they don't have to do it alone. We work with each older adult in finding the right combination of services and resources tailored to fit their individual needs, values, and finances. We deal with many issues, including health care, housing, finances, transportation, and much more. We work with many people over a period of years. Things may be going along very well for quite a while, but when they start to fall apart, we're there to help again. Caregivers often wade into their role without recognizing the rising tide of their responsibilities until they realize they're in over their heads. We offer individual and group support. Sometimes it's a need for resources or a sounding board. We help design and develop caregiver coaching, an award-winning service for the state of Minnesota that helps caregivers balance caregiving with the rest of their lives. We also offer virtual and in-person caregiver support groups that provide a safe place to share challenges, successes, laughter, and perspective. Deb will tell you about another powerful tool for caregivers. And be sure to check out Taffy and Tucker.
Hi, I'm Deb Taylor. I'm the CEO of Senior Community Services, and I'm here to talk about tech tools that are available to you. The first tech tool is CareNexion, www.carenextion.org. CareNexion. It's a tool like Caring Bridge, if you're familiar with that, but instead of pushing information out to people, you bring people in, and it's a care coordination tool for either your partner or an older loved one. It has a calendar feature, it has a journal feature, and there are resources available on there. And it's free. You invite people to be on your team, and it is awesome. Before COVID hit, we were at 9,000 registered users. After COVID, we are now well over 17,000, so check it out. It's a great tool. The other thing I wanted to tell you about is we've just developed a new website. It's called minnesotaceniorcenters.org, and on it are our senior centers, of course, but also there's a specific tab just for virtual programs, and here again, it is free. So please go in and check that out. One of the other things that we use, if you have someone in your life that has Alzheimer's, you may have noticed these robots here. This one's a robot puppy, and this one's a robot cat. And what we have found, I'm going to turn on the voice here, but what we have found is that people that struggle with Alzheimer's find these very comforting. So you can get them through Hasbro, and they're under $100, and they work really, really well. They really do bring comfort to someone with dementia or Alzheimer's. And lastly, we received the Jon Burkhow Award back in 2015 from Training to Serve. And we have always been focused on serving the LGBTQ elders and caregivers. And we are committed to that, and we continue to do that. So please reach out to us if you have any needs, any questions. We'd love to be able to support you as you navigate some of the challenges of aging and caregiving. Thanks for joining us.